Hello everyone, welcome to Sara Thursday. I am Sara Hu. Today I would like to introduce one new product for you. It's the COVID-19 test kit. One-piece test kit is for one person to use, and a middle box includes 20 test kits. Now, let us have a look of the test kit contents.
The test cassette, the blood lancet, the sample diluent, the cotton swab, the plastic dropper, the adhesive bandage, the alcohol pad, the instruction manual. First, we need to use this alcohol-free pad to clean one of our fingers. Then we use the blood lancet to prick the fingertip and squeeze the finger to bleed. Here we use the dropper to take 20 microliter of fingertip blood and add to the sample diluent tube. Then we close the lid tightly and shake the sample diluent tube to mix it well. Then use this dropper to take the diluted blood and add 3 drops to the sample well. Wait 10 minutes and read the result immediately. Then the result will be invalid after more than 20 minutes. It is very easy.
Yes, it is very easy to test at home by yourself, and it can be stored easily at room temperature. If you are interested in this product, please feel free to contact me. I am Sara Hu. See you next time.